Keith planted a tree in the middle of our yard. He planted it when we got married. It grew into the most beautiful, huge tree that had years of Cole and Beanie climbing in it with their friends, and its final memories with having a swing hung for Reese and Liam. It broke in the storm last weekend along with the one that took our tent. I was devastated, but later I thought maybe it was a sign. Our time here is done, and it's time for Cole, Jenica, Reese, and Liam to plant their own tree, making their own memories as it grows.
I was told like this that I should welcome Jenica into our family. But I figured what the hell for? She's done a pretty good job of that herself. About 6 years ago, when her and Cole came to us and said there's something they got to tell us. Well, you probably all know what that was. Reese? Where's Reese? After that, it was barely a year later when they came to us with exactly the same news. I said to Cole, do you think this is the Flintstones? Like a stork just don't fly over dropping these packages down the window. I said to Cole, wrap that damn thing up. All kidding aside, we were very worried of how are these two kids going to raise two kids because they're only kids themselves. But both of them have shown us that they are remarkable parents, and Jen, a super mom.
Jen, each one of us today is so blessed to be here with you, and I'm so proud of you for all that you've achieved, and you and Cole for getting to this far, and just want you to know how much I love you. So, to you. Cheers!
Amazing.
I love you.
Marriage is not just the ceremony here today. It is a commitment for life. Therefore, it is not to be entered into thoughtlessly or irresponsibly, but with much consideration and absolute integrity. With this understanding, Cole and Jenica wish to be joined in marriage before all of you here today. Jenica, do you promise to be Cole's lifelong companion and to cherish and support him always?
I do.
Cole, do you promise to work together to build a home that is full of truth, love, and understanding?
I do.
May you laugh together in joy, grieve together in sorrow, and grow together in love. And may you keep these solemn promises that you made to each other before all of us gathered here today. You may kiss the bride.
They say love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the first time I believe it to be true. All of my friends say, when you know, you know. Every piece falls into place when I'm with you. And
amazed when Jenica said this Quonset would work for the wedding venue. All I could see was dented up metal, cracked dirty floors. She continued to amaze me with her optimism, even after seeing all the mice coming out of all the corners.
You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies, big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever. Forever I am yours. Forever I am yours. In you I found the love that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore, and I will be with.
Cole, we frickin' made it. Never in my wildest dreams could I have imagined what our future would hold. Now look at us today. We have 2 beautiful kids. We're in a room full of the most amazing friends and family. And we are finally husband and wife. You mean the world to me, and I'm so happy and excited to be sharing our life together. I can't wait to see what's in store next for us.